Hi, I'm Chris, and I'm with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. And today, I want to talk to you about two things we installed on this brand new Duramax 3500 HD. We installed the AMP Research power boards. Take a look at that. Is that nice or what? Now these hold 600 pounds. So as you can see, I'm a big guy. Not a problem whatsoever. So technically, I can have a couple of me on here, no problem. What's nice about the power boards that I like a lot is they come down a little further. Sometimes you put a regular step bar, it still looks a little too high. This, if you look really close here, look how nice and even. It's right between the space of the ground and the truck. It's right in the middle. So it's a real true step. Now these are the brand new ones. These are the ones that just came out, and they're a little different than the older models. They still come with a 6-year warranty, but they're gonna sit now on the outside. Like on my Ram, they go underneath the lip. I do like it this way because it does do a better job at protecting the bottom of your truck. So if he wants to do a little off-roading, this does a very nice job of protecting the bottom of the truck. Again, you can see how nice they come down. They really do. And of course, if it was nighttime, you would see the LED lights. It does have LED lights. It lights it up very, very nicely. So you can see where you're going. And it's nice, it's strong, it holds quite a bit of weight, not a problem. Now, besides the AMP Research power boards we put on this 3500, we also put on the RetraxPro. That's right, this is the full metal cover. This is their top of the line model here. First thing I want you to take a look. How nice is that? Is that one good looking cover or what? I mean, I love the style of this. It looks terrific. It's got that new matte finish, which is recently called the MX. And it's just got a great looking cover. I just think styling wise, it's terrific. I mean, it just looks so nice. Very clean looking. And you can tell it's a nice, strong cover. I mean, this is for that guy who needs the strongest covering. 500 pounds this thing holds, which is quite a bit. Now, if you notice, this is the 8-foot bed. This is the long bed. And this does a very nice job with that. Now, come over here. You got your little lock here. You got your little handle. And how's that for easy? Huh? Look at that. And look inside the bed. You got still plenty of space. Plywood you can put underneath there, not a problem. You can lock this anywhere along the track. So let's say you got something you want to put in here and we use the cover to hold it in place. You can with this. Not a problem. You just push a little button. Here's your handle. Look at how nice that is. I mean, that's just really tight. Now this does have that little remote on there. You can see it works just fine. I really like this cover. It's very functional, very strong, looks good, works good. What more can you ask for? Well, on this one more thing. This has a lifetime warranty from Retrax. That's right, on the RetraxPro MX, you get a lifetime warranty. That's a very, very good warranty. You can't ask for better than a lifetime. We're very happy with the way it looks, how it works. And the most important thing, my customers are happy. And if we do the installation for you, guess what? We're going to give you 1 full year on the labor. That's right. If you need adjustments, anything for a full year, all your labor is included by C&H Auto Accessories. Again, thank you for tuning in with C&H. I'm Chris, and have a great day.